Hey everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of unique creative art ideas that will inspire you to unleash your imagination. Whether you're an experienced artist or just starting out, these concepts will spark your creativity and encourage you to think outside the box. So grab your supplies and let's get started on this artistic adventure. Here are some unique and creative art ideas that could inspire you. Nature mandalas. Create mandalas using natural materials like leaves, flowers, and stones found in your environment. This connects art with nature and can be a meditative process. Story stones. Paint simple images or symbols on stones that represent different elements of a story. Use these stones to tell a story, either individually or collectively. Light and shadow art. Use shadow play by creating cutouts or sculptures that cast interesting shadows. Explore how light can transform simple shapes into intricate patterns. Musical canvas. Create an artwork that responds to music. Use colors and shapes that you feel represent the rhythm, tone, and emotion of a particular piece of music. Textile collage. Gather various fabric scraps and create a textured collage. Experiment with different stitches and techniques to add depth and dimension. Emotion portraits. Create portraits that express different emotions using only color and abstract shapes. Challenge the traditional representation of faces and focus on feelings. Interactive art installation. Design an art piece that invites viewers to interact with it, such as a wall where people can add their thoughts or drawings with chalk. Found object sculptures. Collect discarded items and turn them into sculptures. This not only promotes creativity but also raises awareness about recycling and sustainability. Time capsule art. Create a piece that represents a specific moment in time. Use materials that symbolize that era and encourage viewers to reflect on its significance. Cultural fusion art. Combine elements from different cultures to create a piece that celebrates diversity. This could involve mixing traditional patterns, colors, or techniques. Ephemeral art. Make art that is temporary, like sandcastles, ice sculptures, or chalk drawings. Document the process and the eventual decay through photography. Mindfulness art journaling. Start a journal where you express your thoughts and feelings through doodles, sketches, and color. Focus on the process rather than the final product. Sound wave art. Visualize sound waves by translating audio recordings into visual patterns. Use software to create a unique representation of a favorite song or sound. Community mosaic. Involve your community in creating a large mosaic. Each participant can contribute a small tile decorated with their personal story or message. Invisible ink art. Create artworks that reveal themselves under specific conditions, such as UV light or heat. This adds an element of surprise and interactivity. Text-based art. Use text from books, poems, or personal writings to create a visual artwork. Experiment with typography and layout to enhance the meaning. Nature printmaking. Use leaves, flowers, and other natural objects to create prints. Dip them in paint or ink and press them onto paper or fabric for unique designs. Self-portrait collage. Create a self-portrait using magazine cutouts, photographs, and other materials that reflect different aspects of your identity. Unique creative art ideas play a crucial role in various aspects of life and society. Here are some key points highlighting their importance. 1. Self-expression. Art allows individuals to express their thoughts, emotions, and experiences in a personal and meaningful way. Unique ideas encourage artists to explore their own identities and perspectives. 2. Inspiration and motivation. Creative art ideas often serve as catalysts for inspiration, sparking new ways of thinking and encouraging others to pursue their own. 3. Cultural reflection. Unique art can reflect and challenge societal norms, cultural values, and historical contexts, fostering a deeper understanding of diverse backgrounds and experiences. 4. Emotional resonance. Art has the power to evoke emotions and connect people on a deeper level. Unique ideas can resonate with audiences, creating shared experiences and conversations. 5. Innovation and problem solving. Engaging in creative processes encourages innovative thinking and problem-solving skills, applicable in various fields beyond art, including science and business. 6. Community building. Collaborative art projects can bring people together, fostering a sense of community and shared purpose. Such initiatives promote teamwork and collective creativity. 7. Mental well-being. Engaging in creative activities has therapeutic benefits, reducing stress and anxiety. Unique art ideas can serve as a form of self-care and mindfulness. 8. Education and growth. Exploring unique art forms can enhance learning experiences. It encourages critical thinking, open-mindedness, and appreciation for different viewpoints. 9. Preservation of heritage. Creative art can preserve cultural heritage and history. Unique ideas often incorporate traditional elements, keeping them alive for future generations. 10. Challenging perspectives. Unique art can provoke thought and challenge established norms. It encourages viewers to question their beliefs and consider alternative viewpoints. In summary, unique creative art ideas are vital for personal growth, cultural understanding, and societal progress. They foster connections, inspire change, and enrich the human experience. Here are additional points highlighting the importance of unique creative art ideas. 11. Encouragement of diversity. Unique art celebrates diversity by incorporating various cultural influences, promoting inclusivity and understanding across different communities. 12. Exploration of identity. Art provides a platform for individuals to explore and express their multifaceted identities, including aspects like gender, race, and personal experiences. 13. Sparking dialogue. Unique creative ideas can initiate conversations around important social, political, and environmental issues, encouraging engagement and activism. 14. Enhancing observation skills. Engaging with art encourages individuals to observe the world more closely, fostering awareness of details that may often go unnoticed. 15. Interdisciplinary connections. Unique art often intersects with other disciplines such as science, technology, and philosophy, leading to innovative approaches and collaborations. 16. Historical documentation. Art serves as a historical record, capturing moments, movements, and changes in society. Unique interpretations can provide insights into specific times and places. 17. Fostering resilience. The creative process can help individuals cope with challenges and setbacks, promoting resilience and adaptability in the face of adversity. 18. Encouraging experimentation. Unique art ideas encourage artists to step out of their comfort zones and experiment with new techniques, materials, and concepts, leading to growth and discovery. 19. Creating lasting legacies. Unique artworks can leave a lasting impact, influencing future generations and inspiring new movements or trends in the art world and beyond. 20. Enhancing cognitive skills. Engaging in creative activities can enhance cognitive functions such as critical thinking, problem solving, and decision making, benefiting individuals in various aspects of life. 21. Building personal narratives. Art allows individuals to construct and share their personal narratives, helping them make sense of their experiences and communicate their stories to others. 22. Celebrating human experience. Unique art captures the beauty and complexity of the human experience, celebrating emotions, relationships, and the journey of life itself. In essence, unique creative art ideas are essential for personal exploration, community engagement, and cultural enrichment. They foster a richer understanding of the human experience and contribute to a more vibrant and interconnected world. Thanks for joining me on this journey of creativity. I hope these unique art ideas have inspired you to explore new techniques and express yourself in exciting ways. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. I'd love to hear your thoughts. What's your favorite idea? Share in the comments below. Until next time, keep creating and let your imagination soar. Bye for now.